Alright, today's exercise is the heel finger motion. We're going to call it the heel finger motion because we're going to use the heel of our hand, or the back of the hand here, lightly strike the drum, and we're going to get a soft bass tone, okay, like that, with your left or your right hand. We're going to try to learn how to do it with both hands. Now what you're doing is you strike the drum. Now it's going to be very soft and quiet, but a sound is produced. Now what you're going to do is strike the back of the hand like that, softly, and then the front of your hand comes down to your fingers. Okay? So that's what you're after. Heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger. Now we're going to try to do this with both hands. So the left hand, heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger. You're kind of slapping the drum. You got your hand up like that and the fingers come down just like that. Heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger. Don't strike the drum real hard. Just strike it just enough to get a sound. When you learn how to do beats with this, it's going to kind of create a ghost note kind of sound. So it's going to be soft and then harder. You're gonna, boop, boop. So we got left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. A little bit slower. Heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger. Okay, now let's do an exercise using the heel finger and the slap. Okay, we're going to slap the drum like that, softly. We discussed slap in a previous episode. We're going to just slap the drum, just like that. Okay, softly. Okay, heel, finger, slap. 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 That's our exercise. Okay, now what we're going to do to make this sound a little better is put a double stroke or double slap over here on this drum when we move to the lower drum. Okay, so we're going to heel, finger, slap, heel, finger, slap, slap, heel, finger, slap, heel, finger, slap, slap. Okay, now that's our exercise for the heel, finger, and slap. Now what we're going to do is do a heel, finger exercise. And it goes like this so we can exercise both hands. Heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger, heel, finger. Slow down, that's heel, finger, 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 heel, finger. Now we're going to include a different drum. Heel, finger, 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 heel, finger. So this is what we have. You can see if we put these techniques together, we can come up with some really cool beats. Okay? Thanks for watching.